Hi, all. Very good morning. I have a request for this Gen A Exchange Hackathon that is being conducted by Google Cloud. I'm part of their hackathon. Our team, Agentic Architect, has already submitted Cement AI that is in process of shortlisting. Now, I request all of you, please connect with me today before 4 p.m. I will share the actual quiz program that is conducted by Google Gen AI Exchange Hackathon. That will help you to be aligned with what is happening inside and Gen AI and what and all AI agent that you can learn. It is already started on 29th September yesterday. Each quiz will have 10 questions and there will be winner will be announced on 6th October. Even you might have not participated on yesterday's quiz program, but however, I encourage all of you, please try to log in between 4 to 4:10 and you can find an opportunity to participate in quiz. And following that, we'll also have a quiz starting from 6th October to 10th October. And the week two winner will be announced on 13th October. So I'll be sharing these details. Whomsoever be interested, I will encourage you to participate. There will be 10 multiple choice questions. That is a part of hackathon workshop that contains Agentic AI and Google Cloud AI tools like Vertex. So please be available, and there will be a two layer to that. One is for the students, another one is for the professionals. It's a big opportunity. I wanted to make use of that. So let me give the possible quiz question and answer the concept. AI agent. What is an AI agent? An AI agent is a software system that uses an AI to pursue the objective autonomously, demonstrating the reasoning, planning, memory, decision making capabilities. Meaning, it is an independent agent that can think, that can perform, that can operation. Once we request that AI agent to make any decisioning, we'll just see more details in following slides. There will be five such characters. When you define an AI agent, we'll have a five traditional AI agent that we call it as autonomy. That means it can operate independently. So that is the number one character. Number two, reactivity. It responds to the changes that is happening in the environmental. It could be an environment variable or it could be an objective which you wanted to set already business rule and automatically it smartly picks up and able to perform independently. So we have autonomy, then we have reactivity, then proactivity. It takes an initiative and to perform the operational proactively. Social ability, interact with other agents and even humans. Adaptability, it learns by experience. That is very critical things. In short, what is an agent? AI agent is a software, nothing but a software. It uses AI capability and perform autonomously. So, what are the five characters? Number one, autonomy, reactivity, proactivity, sociability, adaptability. So, when you look at the architecture, I listed quite a few here. It is like your prompt engineering tool only. So, one is React, reasoning, and acting. That means it combines the chain of thought. So, what is a chain of thought? That we'll see here. Chain of thought and the reasoning with the task specific actions. It follows a process. It is a thought, action, observation loop, reduces the hallucination and grounding. So these are the key thing React characters in architecture. The second one is chain of thought, COT. It guides a large language model, breaks down into reasoning, into intermediate step. You might be knowing this few short COT, that's in examples. We are passing on into the LLM via prompt tool. Now, these few shots or zero shots means we don't give any examples to the prompt. Think by step, and its self consistency. So COT generates multiple paths. That means it can able to select the multiple paths, and it always select the most consistent answer and pattern emerging as a sufficient tool up to 100 billion parameter. The next one is plan and execute. Okay, what does that mean? It separates a high level planning from low level execution with the three component. Number one, a planner. Number two is an executor. A planner is nothing but creating a task and a decomposition. Executor, actually, it carries out the task with the subtasks. And we have a monitor which tracks the progress. So this is an architecture overall on which would be more effectively we use it predominantly in most of the agentic AI. The other one is a tree of thought. It maintains a tree structure of the thought, enabling the explanation of the multiple reasoning, and it performs even the backtracking also.